Hi, my name is Kenneth, and I'm a huge fried chicken lover. If I could eat only fried chicken every day for the rest of my life, and it inevitably leading to my death, I'd probably say yes. But I'm trying to live a little longer than that, so I'm not gonna have it every single day. Since I've moved to Vancouver Island, I actually haven't had fried chicken in over a month and a half approximately. When I first moved out here, about a month in, a very good friend of mine actually did bring me some Church's chicken from the mainland, and I ate it that morning, and it was the best moment of my life. But since that moment, I have not had fried chicken. So here we are trying some fried chicken on the island. Today I'm trying something, it's called Lee's, sorry, let me turn it. Lee's Famous Fried Chicken. I haven't found an exceptional fried chicken place here on the island yet. I have to admit, I have tried this chicken before in the northern part of Vancouver Island in Campbell River, and it really wasn't good. It was pretty bad, actually. I didn't get exactly what I wanted at that visit, but with what I did get, it was horrible, honestly. I'm saying it, it was really bad. The chicken was dry, the gravy tasted kind of like dirt, and the fries were soggy. I mean, maybe that was because drive time, we had to drive 8 minutes home, but there's a Lee's Famous Fried Chicken pretty close to my home here in Nanaimo, and I thought I would give it a try again. I thought I would give it another shot. First impressions, not great. The service was kind of meh, but maybe it's because of the whole COVID thing, but they were not very, well, the lady that was serving me at the counter, taking my order, she was not very courteous, but whatever, it is what it is. So today I got exactly what I normally get from my favorite place, Church's Chicken, which is 3-piece dark meat. That's 2 drums and 1 thigh. I've ordered it for extra crispy and spicy. I got a small fry and a small gravy. It comes in this fun little box that seals like this inside a plastic bag, and on the front, Lee's Famous Fried Chicken. Apparently this guy is Colonel Sanders' nephew, so I don't like KFC at all. I'll say it right off the bat, I do not like KFC whatsoever. Their fries and their gravy can be good sometimes, but for the most part, I really dislike it. Let's pour it out and get a better view here. Okay, right off the bat, things are sounding kind of crispy and crunchy. I kind of like that. Good sign. The fries are pretty good. Not crispy crunchy, but it's not soggy. It's kind of like a more baked McDonald's fry, you could say. Make no mistake, this is not like an official review. I'm not a food reviewer. I'm just looking for some good fried chicken close to my home so I can enjoy it on the regular. And listen, they had a bad start way back when, okay? It wasn't good the first time I had it, so I'm hoping that it gets better this time. So far the fries are not too bad. Kind of flavorless, but crunchy, so not bad. Let's take a bite of the chicken, no gravy. I'm a dark meat man, a big dark meat fan, so whenever I can, I will eat dark meat as I have planned, so. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is good. It's good. All right, okay. Now the gravy. The gravy smells very peppery. Looks kind of dirty. That's a big fry. It's not 1 fry, it's like 9. Okay. It's good. It's peppery. It's kind of watery, but that's okay. But this is good. Yum. The gravy's good. I have to say, today's Lee's fried chicken experience is way different than the experience I had about a year or 2 years ago in Campbell River. This is actually quite tasty. It's not the best fried chicken I've ever had, but this is totally serviceable. If you're a fan of crunchy fried chicken, I mean, I like spicy, I like dark meat, and I like crunchy, so this actually hits all the things I need. So I would say this is good if you're in a pinch. It was not super cheap. 3 pieces, small fry and a small gravy was $11. I ordered it a la carte because I didn't see that as an exact combo I could have selected, and the lady didn't know what I meant when I said a la carte. So I was like, can I just get one thing on its own? And she was like, oh yeah, I guess you could do that. And I was like, okay, thanks. But yeah, so here we are. I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna enjoy this.
A few moments later.
Mid-chicken check-in. This is from the thigh. It's a lot of batter. This is a piece of batter. There's a little bit of like chicken fat in there, I guess. Chicken fat? But this is all otherwise batter. It's crunchy. Like a panko kind of crunch, but it's a lot of batter I'm eating. Yeah, the chicken itself is pretty good, moist, but it's dark meat. It's pretty easy. But I don't know, take it as a good thing or a bad thing, but they gave me a lot of fries. I asked for a small. I'm still working through it. So, yeah, that's the mid-meal check-in. A lot of batter. Chicken's good. A lot of fries. Gravy is very peppery. Okay, post-chicken update. I don't feel great. I feel okay. It was a lot of batter. So Lee's famous chicken, I had to stand up after eating all that. I had to stand up. So I'm standing in the hallway inside my kitchen almost. It's okay. It's just okay. Can we put this here? I just need to stand. I just need to be standing. So flavor, pretty good. This like special secret herbs and spices thing, I guess it's what he stole from his uncle, Colonel Sanders. It's good, I like it. It tastes like a lot of salt, unfortunately. The gravy was super peppery, and the chicken seasoning was super salty. I think it's a lot of seasoning salt, something spicy in there, like cayenne or something. But it's not terrible. My main gripe, as you saw in the mid-chicken check-in, was that it was super, super heavy on batter. It was like eating like a fish and chips piece. It was excessive. The fries are really, really similar to KFC fries, which I'm not really a fan of. I've got a poor aftertaste in my mouth, and it was so salty throughout that I had to have 2 glasses of water throughout the entire eating procedure. Yeah, that's my unofficial review of Lee's. Let me know, do you guys like Lee's fried chicken? It's apparently famous, and apparently. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna try other fried chicken places here on the island. I know there are apparently many, many delicious fried chicken places out here on Vancouver Island, not just in Nanaimo. So I'm hoping to try them all, because I like fried chicken. So you guys, I hope you guys find your favorite fried chicken, and let me know what your favorite fried chicken is down below. Mine is Church's chicken, but this is pretty good. But you know, it's no Church's chicken.